Good morning and welcome to Monday Product Update. Today we're going to be talking about movement mortgage HELOC or home equity line of credit, how it can benefit our clients and kind of like the requirements. And we have a lot of notes, so I'll be looking down at my paper. So movement mortgage home equity line of credit is basically a line of credit secure against the equity of the borrower's home or property. So we can do primary residence, second home, and investment property. For primary residence, the maximum loan to value or LTV can be up to 90%. So they can leave only 10% of equity left on the home and have their line of credit all the way up to 90%. Maximum LTV for second homes and investment properties is going to be at 70%. This is the nice part. The minimum credit score is 640. Amounts of the line of credit can range from $20,000 all the way up to $400,000. So depending on how much equity they have, what are their goals, what are they trying to invest on, they can fit anywhere within the middle. Movement mortgage offers only fixed rate loan, so it's going to be a set term and the rate is not going to be increased. And at the moment of closing, they're going to be getting their fully disbursed amount. So if you have a client with $100,000 or with a home that is $100,000, they only own $10,000 there, and it's their primary residence, their maximum LTV can be 90%, so they can take out up to $90,000. So once you take out that $10,000, $80,000 would be part of the home equity line of credit that they can take out, and with approximately 5 business days, the difference of $80,000 would be deposited into their bank account. There are different terms, so a borrower can choose from 5 years, 10 years, 15, or 30 years, all fixed rates, and the lien position would be second. Some debt to income requirements up to 50%. So the nice thing is that if there's only one borrower that owns the property currently, but they are married and their spouse was not in the loan, we can include the whole household income. So possibly somebody that wouldn't be able to qualify on their own, but they have somebody else living in the home, we can include that income as well to help the debt to income ratio. There will be an origination fee that is the only cost that is allowed by the state, and is specifically for movement mortgage, and it's going to range between 1.5% to 4.99%. So depending again on the loan amount, it will be a range depending on the interest rate they choose, the terms of the years, the occupancy, and the type of property. We can do single family residence, townhomes, PUDs, planned unit developments, or condominiums as well. So again, primary residence, second home, or investment properties. The other nice thing is that there are, like I said, no other fees. I am personally able to help you in Arizona, California, and Nevada. And the application, once it's submitted online, it will be either denied or approved within minutes. So right away, you'll know that your borrower is approved. So if somebody applies, right there, the system will tell them whether or not they are approved. Maybe if they enter the income incorrectly, they can reapply again at any time. It's only a soft credit pull until it closes. Once everything has been approved, at closing is when we will run the hard credit reports. That there will be a rescission period of 3 days, so we gotta make sure we wait those 3 days before depositing the funds into the bank account. And there is no appraisal. We do an AVM, which is an automated valuation model, an AVM, and this value is determined by the data that is already in the system, so there's no appraisal that is required, but we will be able to get an idea of how much the house is worth based on recent sales. If the client or the borrower decides to set up auto pay for every monthly payment, they will get a 0.25% discount on their interest rate. That's about it. That is our HELOC account. So this is really great for clients that are looking to maybe consolidate some debt, and they need to have like a set interest rate, a set payment for all of the debt that have accumulated over the years. Maybe they are looking to buy something cash overseas where the interest rates are much higher than they are here in the States. Or maybe they are looking to buy a property cash and they want to leverage the equity they already have in their primary residence. So once they get approved for the loan online, we like to see the whole scenario to help your clients achieve their goals and what they want to do with their line of credit. So if you have any questions, just go to the link on my bio, and the link that's going to be within the email. There is a button that says apply for a HELOC. Again, it's just a soft credit pull, so it's not going to affect your credit score, but it's going to allow us to see how much you can qualify for.